Hi, I am marriage coach Alok. Listen to me for 2 minutes, it can change your life. Have you wondered how come love fades away so soon after marriage? Why do we feel neglected and ununderstood in our marriages? What makes marriage feel like a trap? If you want to break free from the chains of loveless marriage, and if you are truly craving for a deeper connection with your partner, I have something special just for you. Happy to introduce our virtual workshop Love Languages, created by our expert couple therapist. This can transform your relationship at the cost of one movie ticket. Yes, you heard that right. A small investment for a huge impact. In today's fast paced world, maintaining a strong and healthy relationship can feel like an uphill battle. Join us for an immersive 90-minute live workshop where you will discover the power of love languages, the key to understanding and communicating love in your relationship. Whether you have been together for years or just starting out, this workshop is for you. Along the workshop, you will receive bonus package including a comprehensive workbook to deepen your understanding and apply what you have learned. A 30-day challenge to help you integrate love languages into your daily life. A habit tracker to monitor your progress and make lasting changes. 101 marriage inspiration to keep the spark alive forever. Waiting and wishing will not work. Invest in your relationship today and reap the benefit for rest of your life. Here are a few participants' experiences.
5 Love Languages workshop was just a turning point for both of us. I am definitely going to recommend this workshop to everyone out there.
Getting to know about the 5 love languages reshaped my relationship journey. Attending the love language workshop is the best thing that happened to my relationship journey.
Sign up now for your love language workshop and bonus package, all for just 199 rupees. Trust us, your relationship will thank you forever. Don't miss out. Take the first step today to a stronger and more fulfilling relationship. See you at the workshop.